Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to speed up PC performance. So if your PC performance is lagging or if the speed is very low, in that case you can do some things in order to speed it up. The first thing that you can do is simply check for the Windows update. Sometimes your Windows might not be up to date, that's why your speed is lagging. So in that case, what you have to do is simply go to settings, click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now what you have to do is hover over the gear icon. You'll be able to find the option for settings over here. Click on it. Now you can see over here the settings will be opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for update and security and click on it. Now you'll be led to the update and security interface. At left you'll be able to find various options like Windows Update, Delivery Optimization, Windows Security, etc. Make sure the option for Windows Update is selected. Now in the interface of Windows Update, you'll be able to see if the updates are available or not. If the update is available right now, over here you'll be able to find the option for install now. This might take a while, so it's better to do it at night. Since this process requires a lot of time and restarts, I'm not going to install it now. It is better to install it at night. After you install the new update, your speed problem can be solved and you'll be able to speed up the PC performance. If this does not work for you, what you can do is simply go back. Now in the settings interface, what you have to do is find the option for privacy and click on it. Now you'll be led to the privacy interface. At left you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the section for app permissions. You'll be able to find several kinds of permissions over here. All the applications may not require all the permissions. If you're giving the application access to every permission, that might also be the reason why your PC performance is low. For example, I'm just going to click on the option camera. Now you'll be led to the camera interface. You'll be able to choose the application that can access your camera. You'll be able to see the list of applications over here. Simply turn off the access for those applications that might not require the access for camera. So like this too, you can speed up the PC performance. If this also does not work, what you can do is simply go for the disk cleanup. In that case, what you have to do is click on the search icon. Now simply search for disk cleanup. Now you'll be able to find the option over here. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here the disk cleanup tab will be opened. You'll be able to find various files to delete over here. Make sure to delete the temporary files. So make sure the temporary internet files option is selected. Also simply select all the files that you want to delete. Now after doing that, what you have to do is simply click on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the pop-up over here. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on this option, delete files. Now after that, the unnecessary files will be deleted. So like this too, you'll be able to speed up the performance. So these are basically the ways to speed up the PC performance. So that is how you speed up PC performance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.